Hi guys, it's Ariana. Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video we are doing a Boxycharm unboxing. So we are in May and you guys got 2 Boxycharm videos this month because April's was so freaking late. But that's besides the point. May's box has arrived and I'm actually already pissed off. So if you guys haven't seen my last Boxycharm video, I'll link it up in eye for you guys. You guys can see that it's titled The Worst Boxycharm I've Ever Received. And this new issue that I'm coming across is not a Boxycharm issue. It's a shipping issue. This is literally how my box arrived. It arrived smashed. Like, come on. If your job is literally to ship products and I'm paying you to ship my product to me, maybe don't smash my freaking box. It came with a note, like it came in a bag from Canada Post saying that they damaged it. There's nothing they can really do about it now. It's damaged, it's broken. I had to check the inside of the components already to make sure everything was fine and to make sure nothing broke. So I do already know what's in this Boxycharm this month. I don't like doing that. I like to be surprised on camera with you guys, but unfortunately I couldn't do that because I had to clarify that all of my items weren't smashed, and thankfully they were not. So this is what this month's box looks like. It looks mangled and smashed and it's ridiculous, but we got a card this month, so that's pretty cool. I was really annoyed last month when we didn't get one for whatever reason, and my missing item is still not here, so there's that. I still don't have my full box for April yet. Anyway, we have all of the items that we got in this month's box with all of the pricing, so that's really cool. So the first item that I am going to dive into, because I can't really hold up this box and show you guys this month because it is literally coming apart at the seams, but the first item I see is a pair of lashes, and this is a repeat item. So we have already gotten this item before. I don't remember which box it was, but I have already gotten this exact pair of lashes and brand from Boxycharm before, and I remember liking them. I think they were really pretty. I like that it came in a little box, a little carrier, and I like the fact that it came with glue, and the lashes are pretty cute. So these are the Baddington Beauty Harlow 3D Silk Lashes. So they retail for $31, so that is very expensive for lashes, considering I usually get my lashes from Urban Pop Lashes, and you can get 2 pairs of really good quality lashes for like 15 bucks. So that is very expensive. These are really nice lashes, but I think they are overpriced, especially for just one pair. I think $31 is insane. This is 3D Lash, provides dramatic length and volume. If you're looking to make a statement, this is the lash for you. These 3D Lash effect mimics the growth structure of your lashes for the ultimate and natural glamour. Includes mini glue. So I really liked these lashes the last time I got them, but I do think that they are overpriced, which is why I never repurchased them, and I'm kind of glad that we got them in another box, but at the same time it is a repeat item, so this isn't a new item and it's not something that I haven't tried yet. So there's that. But I do like lashes, so I'm okay with it. The next item I see, we're just gonna move into the big item. I think this is, I don't know what this is. This is from the brand Tarte, and it's not smashed, so thank God. Let's open it. Well, it's good that it didn't smash because it's literally just plastic. So I think the packaging is really cute. It has like that leaf on the inside that's magnified. I think that's really adorable. So this is the Tarte Micellar Water. So this is a makeup remover and cleanser. That's interesting. I'm curious as to what it smells like. It doesn't really smell like anything. It kind of smells like the face wash that I use already. It has like almost like a chlorine scent to it, so it really doesn't smell like anything. I like the size of it. We got a lot of product, considering my makeup remover that I usually use is way smaller, a lot thinner. The same, like, it's taller, but it's a lot thinner. So we get, how many fluid ounces do we get? You get 6.4 fluid ounces, and it says use this mess-free, no rinse micellar cleanser water anytime, anywhere. Saturated cotton pad and apply this to the skin on the go after a gym sesh or to remove that full face of makeup you worked so hard on. This baby cleanses without stripping your skin or making a mess of your sink. So this retails for $18, so that's pretty reasonable considering you get a shit ton of product, and it is literally just a makeup remover. I like the fact that it doesn't smell like anything, and I like the packaging. I think the packaging is really cute. So this says the ultimate lazy girl hack. This micellar water is a gentle no rinse facial cleanser that removes waterproof and long wear makeup, excess oil and impurities without stripping your skin's natural moisture. So I think it's really cute. I really like the packaging. I really like that magnified leaf on the inside. I think that's really cute. So that's cool. So that was $18 and I think that's a pretty reasonable price. So now we are moving on to the next item. The next item I see is Crest. I think we've gotten this brand before. So I think this is a Correct Cover Conceal Crayon, and I got the color Bisque, and I think that's going to be way too dark for me, considering this is supposed to be a concealer. Concealers are supposed to be, I think they say that it should be 1 or 2 shades lighter than your foundation, and I would say that that is too dark. So I'm going to, not too sure if I'm going to use this. Yeah, it looks like it's going to be way too dark for me. So I'm not going to, ooh, I like that it's magnetic. It like clips on. I think that's really awesome, but they sent me the wrong shade, unfortunately. This is too dark for me. You can even just tell just from the comparison of the outside cap to my skin tone. This will be way too dark of a concealer for me. So this says a confidence boosting concealer for all of your touch-up needs, glides on with a smooth light feel and leaves a luminous natural finish. So I'm gonna give this away to one of my friends that it may match their skin tone a little bit better, but that is too dark for me personally, so that sucks. But that is the kind of thing that happens with these subscription boxes. They're not always gonna send out the correct color to every person, but that's okay. So this is the Crest Cover and Conceal Crayon. Finally, you can have extra smooth, easy glide application with full flexible coverage and a lightweight feel. The ultra creamy, long-lasting formula takes coverage and correction to a new level. And this retails for $24. So I think that's very expensive for a concealer. 24 USD for a crayon concealer is very, very expensive, considering you can get the ColourPop ones for like $15 and they're awesome. So I think that's a little bit too expensive, and I'm a little bummed that I didn't get the correct color. But that's okay, $24. No, I wouldn't purchase that myself personally, but anyway. So the next item I see is from the brand Glam & Glow. I've only ever used the Glam & Glow cleanser, and I really liked the cleanser. So I'm excited to try this. This is the Hollywood, California Glam & Glow Berry Glow. So this is a mask. Ooh, it smells like yogurt. The seal thing kind of was popped off already, but that's okay. This smells really, really good. It's a berry, obviously, mask. So it's a probiotic recovery mask. I really like probiotics in skincare, so I'm really excited to, ooh, I'm gonna drop it. I'm really excited to try this out. I will definitely try this out in the future with you guys. So you get 75 milliliters, and it says apply an even layer to clean skin, leave on for 10 minutes for best results, tissue off and smooth in any excess if desired. Rinse and pat dry. So I'm definitely gonna try this out in the future. I really like the Glam & Glow brand. I've only ever tried the cleanser and I really liked it, so I'm excited to try this. This says it retails for $49, so that is a very expensive moisturizing face cream or mask. I personally probably wouldn't have purchased this myself with that price, 49 USD. Gotta remember guys, everything is in USD. I'm in Canada, so that means it's gonna be like about 60 bucks. That's crazy. That is really, really, really pricey for a mask. So it says a creamy, nutrient-dense, soothing mask with antioxidant-rich berries and probiotics that instantly boosts skin's health, restores radiance, and balances skin biome. So I'm really excited to try this, but I personally wouldn't purchase this myself because of the price. I think that's crazy, but it does smell really good. It smells like raspberry yogurt, so that's awesome. But $49, no way. And the last item in this month's Boxycharm is an item that I already know that I'm not gonna like. So drum roll please, let's see what the palette is. Oh, neutrals. Don't like neutrals. I'm gonna give this away. I don't like the scent of this. It has that weird vanilla scent that I talk about from Pure Cosmetics. It smells like a Pure Cosmetics palette, and I hate that. I hate the scent. No way, no way, no way. And I will never get used of a palette like this. This is incredibly boring. Look how boring that is. I will never ever use this, and I'm not even gonna swatch it because I'm literally just going to give it away. So this is the Studio Makeup Ease to Wear eyeshadow palette. And this retails for $35. 35 USD for a palette like this? Hell no. Hell no. I would not pay $35 for this. I think the pans are tiny. I think the colors are boring, and I'm not into it. I think this is such a boring palette. So this retails for $35. It says the Studio Makeup Ease to Wear eyeshadow palette displays a versatile color scheme, complementing all skin tones for the creation of countless natural glam looks. This all day and all night creamy smooth eyeshadow texture glides on and blends with ease, providing true color coverage in a single stroke. Boring. Don't want it. Gonna give it away. So that was everything that was in my Boxycharm this month. I'm happy that all of the items arrived in one piece, even though the box did not. I like the fact that I actually got memory foam. If I didn't get the memory foam in this box, because a couple of the other boxes were literally just stuffed with like cardboard paper, which was really annoying. If I hadn't gotten the memory foam this month, I fear a lot of the products probably would have smashed with how careless Canada Post treated this month's box. I'm very disappointed with them. But thankfully nothing broke, but I'm really not that excited about this box. I am really excited for June's Boxy Luxe unboxing. That it's going to be my turning point for me, whether or not I continue with Boxycharm, because I have not been impressed. I have not been impressed at all with their boxes the last couple of times. I think a lot of them have been really boring and kind of a waste of money, considering the price of the Canadian dollar versus the US dollar is so high for the conversion rate, and the fact that the actual box went up in price. It's not $21 anymore. Don't believe that. It's definitely not. I pay about $40 for this box, and that's crazy. You do get a lot of really awesome products in it, but at the same time I have not been impressed with the product selection or the color choices that I'm getting. This definitely is going to be way too dark for me, and that's such a bummer. So let's total up this month's box. So let's see. So the total of this month's box is $157, so that's really cool. So that's 157 USD. So if we're gonna transfer that to Canadian dollars, we're probably about $170, $180. So that's really cool. You do get your money's worth with Boxycharm, but unfortunately a lot of the products tend to go to waste or tend to just sit in my makeup collection until I declutter them. So it is really good if you are just starting out with makeup and you're wanting to build your collection. I would say Boxycharm is a really amazing subscription for that. But once you already have a makeup collection built, Boxycharm just kind of sends random items a lot of the time, and a lot of the time they're items you're not going to want or not going to use. So that's my kind of issue with Boxycharm. I've been with Boxycharm since I believe 2017, so we're going on about 3 years or 18. It was either 18 or 17 when I started. So we're going on about 3 years, and I'm just really not loving Boxycharm anymore. I think there's better subscription boxes out there that you can go to. Like FabFitFun, for example, is a really good subscription box, and I've always been, well, not always, but I've been pretty impressed with their boxes. Boxycharm is kind of shitting the bed lately for me personally, and I wasn't really that impressed with their customer service either last month with everything that went on. If you haven't heard my rant about last month's box and my missing item, and then them sending me an item that wasn't even in April's box, go watch last month's video so you can get the tea on that. But this month's box, the only item in it that I am really looking forward to is the mask. Everything else I could have lived without. I'm gonna have to give the concealer away because it's not my color. I'm not gonna ever use this palette, so I'm gonna give it away. The lashes I've already gotten, so I already know I like them, but I'm not that excited for them considering I have lashes in my collection. The Urban Pop lashes, the ones that I'm wearing right now, I'm wearing the Limor ones, and the Bewitched ones are my favorite. These are my favorite lashes, and I actually have a code with them, so if you guys are wanting to save some money, I don't get anything from the code, it's just a discount code for you guys. But if you guys wanting to get some discount on some really awesome lashes, my code is in the description below. But these are my favorite lashes. I love Urban Pop, they're on Instagram, and they're great. So I didn't really need lashes because I have so many already. So I'm not that excited about the lashes. And the Tarte Micellar Water, it's awesome that we got so much of the product and it's so inexpensive, but again, I'm not really that excited. It's just a makeup remover. I got one, and it's my favorite one, and I already got a freaking extra one, so I didn't really need it. Honestly guys, this month's box was kind of lame, not gonna lie. So it is what it is. If you guys got something else in your guys' box, if you got a different variation, let me know in the comments below. Let me know if you guys liked this month's box. Let me know if you guys liked last month's box. Let me know what you guys are feeling about Boxycharm. If you guys are still interested in these videos, if you guys are still subscribed to Boxycharm, if you're still getting it every month, let me know in the comments below. Chat with me, talk with me. I like to respond to you guys. I like to know what you guys are doing. Let me know, let's talk. But thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you guys did enjoy this video, please make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below for more content like this, and I will see you guys at the next video. Bye!